On the field here in front of me is the beginning rifle class that I taught. Again, as Gary said, I'm very proud of these kids. Several of them just took the rifles literally out of the box when they got to camp here. They've worked extremely hard and made some great progress. So without further ado, you can watch their performance.
Here's a chart that stands to become as great a stadium classic as Hey Baby. Check out this Tom Wallace arrangement of I Love Rock and Roll.
Very nice job, ladies. I have a few awards to pass out, and as Galen said, this is always a difficult thing, and I will speak for my class. They all really worked hard and great attitudes, every one of them, all week. But we are going to have some awards, and I appreciate Tricia helping me here so I can read the names, and Tricia teaches the beginning flag class, so she's going to actually hand out the awards. We have an award for the most improved performer in this class, and that goes to Brandy Jackson from Kewanee High School. Get the photo op here. And the most outstanding performer from this class, from Mattoon High School, Andrea Aubrey. Have an award for an outstanding attitude, and again, they all had great attitudes. This one student really worked extremely hard this week, made tremendous progress, and that's going to go to Jamie Seabury. Most improved school, Switzerland County High School. And we're getting ready to bring Kaylee up here because the most outstanding school is Mattoon High School. And we have an award that we give out here, which is just like an overall thing. Great performer, great attitude, just everything, the whole package, which is what you really like to see as a director. So the Golden Whistle Award from the beginning rifle class will go to Andrea Aubrey from Mattoon High School. Again, great job to these girls. Girls, you can sit down, and beginning flag class is up next.